Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix PlayHT Studio login issues, credit and export errors step by step clearly. If you are experiencing login issues with PlayHT Studio, here's how to fix them. First, check your internet connection to ensure it is stable. Open your web browser and clear the cache and cookies. Next, attempt to log into PlayHT Studio again. If you still encounter errors, reset your password. Click on the Forgot Password link on the login page. Follow the instructions sent to your email to set a new password. Once you have reset your password, try logging in again. If you are facing export issues, verify your account balance. Ensure you have sufficient credits to complete the export. If your credits are low, consider purchasing additional credits. Next, review your project for any specific settings that may cause errors. Check if any audio files exceed the size limit allowed by PlayHT. If you continue experiencing errors, try using a different web browser. Sometimes, browser extensions can interfere with the website's functionality. Disabling these extensions can help resolve the issue. If problems persist, reach out to PlayHT's customer support for assistance. Provide them with detailed information about your login or export error. They can offer tailored solutions to resolve your issues. Following these steps should help you fix any login or export errors in PlayHT Studio. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.